Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 90, Part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jishao. The boys. Three boys seems to be injured. One of the boys said, "Crazy, she was absolutely crazy. You can afford to mess with neurosis." One of the boys said, "The three of them knows how stronger Jishao is." Jishao, she was holding on the wall. Probably, she was really tired. Messing with three boys was really troublesome for her. Even though she was stronger, of course, she can easily worn out. Finally, Jishao, you, what a shame. Three boys is really no match for her. Especially, she's only one, and the boys is three. She really turned the situation to upside down. Now, let us say, it's her victory. Michelle, just this kind of virtue, dare to covet facing you. Now, she was thinking. Suddenly, she became weakened and slowly sitting on the floor. She must really tired and really worn out. For now, only she can think is Wei Xingyu, trying to defend Wei Xingyu from these three boys. Xiao, she looks exhausted. She looks really tired. Let's hope someone can help her make these boys pay. But right now, suddenly, someone's calling her. Xiao, she looked onto the way to find out who is the person calling her right now. Turns out the police came by. Well, finally, someone's gonna help her make these boys pay. We have arrived at location provided by the caller. Right now, there's a signs of confrontations at the scene. Finally, the police came here to see what's going on. And Wei Xingyu suddenly popped in. It turns out she came here to support her. Troublemakers showed no signs of resistance and took the persons back to the police stations. Wei Xingyu was here to check if there's something wrong with Jishao. Well, she can see Jishao. She got some bruises. Also, got injury. Jishao mind his hallucination. How could Wei Xingyu's come? Well, she was really puzzled. She was surprised that Wei Xingyu came for her. Wei Xingyu, she was rushing to get into Jishao. You can already see Jishao was in pain. Of course, she will obtain injury. The three boys, troublemaker, they really make Jishao some bruises and injury. Jishao, how did you get yourself into this? Right now, Wei Xingyu is asking her, "Are you okay?" Well, she was really worried about the situation of Jishao, and she really came through fast. How come Wei Xingyu knows this? Reason, it was really puzzled. Seeing a lot of injuries by Jishao, Wei Xingyu hugged her. Probably she want to comfort her. She is here by her side. The two of them finally hug each other to comfort each other. Wei Xingyu trying to calm Jishao. Turns out that she really came to me. Jishao, she looks really fun. In this situation, she didn't expect that Wei Xingyu will come for her. Given the note, before this, the two of them understanding. Jishao told Wei Xingyu not go for her. But it was not like that. Wei Xingyu really comes for her. Look at what my child heard this time. It seems that the parent of the troublemaker already arrived at police station. Wei Xingyu, she was standing with lawyer Suhi. His teeth are all knocked out. He is an alpha. What will you do next? Well, it seems that it was really getting serious. The parents of the troublemaker. It makes sense. Right now, they're really complaining on the officer. That is right, my son is so injured. He must pay us for medical expenses and mental damage to their son. The statement is not yet complete. Well, can Jisha really escape from this? Given the situation, the three boys is really hurt and have obtained a lot of injuries. This matter is not over yet. We must pursue it to the end. Family members, please calm down. Sit down, discuss it carefully. Seeing you, she was looking on the side of the parents, and now she really gets serious. She opened the door, keeping classes, kissing each other, in control of pheromones. Jishao, are you going to do all bad things you haven't done in a year? It turns out Jishao is being scolded. Jishao, she got scolded by her lawyer. You are not child anymore. The other party pursues it. The school will record a major demerit. Did you know that? Well, it must be the trouble. Let's hope Jishao, she can really escape from it. Jishao, she looks really tired. Also, she looks really worn out. Right now, it must be really hurt. She has a lot of injuries. She looks really sad. Well, we can blame her. All this happens because she's trying to defend Wei Xingyu. Wei Xingyu, she was really here. Wei Xingyu said, Aunt Liu Wei, lawyer Su is here. Turns out, the lawyer finally came in. Well, let's hope she can defend Jishao from these three boys. Okay, lawyer Su and I will go to talk to the other party. Also went check the injury next door. I will ask Xingyu to help her. Well, Jishao, she must really shy right now. In front of Wei Xingyu, she can be seen by Wei Xingyu in this kind of things. So the two of them are not moving. Especially Jishao, keep herself quiet. She's not speaking. Although Wei Xingyu, she was holding the medicine, and also she was not moving. The two of them seeing each other, carefully analyzing the situation. Jishao said to her, you must have called them all here. Thanks this time. Jishao, she was really thankful to Wei Xingyu. Without her help, maybe she became worse. At the end of this, she is really thankful to her. For Jishao, doctor, teacher, lawyer, she thinks very carefully. Well, it was always Wei Xingyu. She was analyzing all the problems and the situations in a perfection. She was really a perfect calm person. That's why right now, the situations turn this. Wei Xingyu, she looks really sad. Applying the medicine to Jishao, Wei Xingyu said to her, no need to thank me. Well, helping her is all really she wants. Especially right now, Wei Xingyu, she really wants to help Jishao. Well, it's getting better. Hi guys, there's a part 2. Just wait for it for a little. Bye!